No, you better not put this in.
You're going on.
Don't put this. Stop.
Kitty, what are you doing? Kitty. Isn't he so cute? Hey, this is Lindsay from Fit and Fabulous, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a super delicious Reese's Peanut Butter Blizzard. So if you guys love peanut butter, you love chocolate, and you love it, and a really good, yummy, super creamy, Blizzard style ice cream, then I've got the perfect recipe for you today. So this is what it looks like, even though I've actually eaten already half of it. Perfect. So if you guys stay tuned, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to make this uber delicious recipe. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Lindsay, and this is my YouTube channel. It is Fit and Fabulous, and I make videos like this every single week. I make videos on weight loss, I do delicious recipes, I do fun reviews, I do lots of really fun things on this channel, so be sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the notifications so you guys never miss a video like this in the future. As well as if you guys do like this type of video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And I'll be sure to make more videos like this in the future. So if you guys are ready to make an uber delicious chocolate peanut butter Reese's Blizzard, then let's get started. So the first thing we need is a blender cup, and then the first ingredient is some unsweetened vanilla almond milk. And what we want to do is we actually just want to freeze some of this into cubes. So this is going to be like the basis for our Blizzard today. So as you can see on the screen there is my unsweetened almond milk cubes, and I'm just going to add those into the blender cup. Now I'm just going to add about 6 or 7 in there. As I blend it, I obviously add the couple that's left over, but sometimes my blender doesn't like it when I use them all. So this is what I actually use to freeze the almond milk, and this is a little silicone pan. I think I just got it from a local grocery store or something. It works perfect for this. So what you want to do is you actually just want to freeze about 1.25 cups to about 1.5 cups of the unsweetened almond milk. So I always like to put it in a little measuring cup. That's way it's just so much easier to pour into those little cube area things. So yeah, so what you want to do is just do this the night before. Next, we're going to be using some LadyBoss Lean because, again, it is delicious. This is the all-in-one nutritional shake. It is vanilla cake flavored. It is gluten-free and grass-fed whey, and it tastes delicious. So each scoop of this is only 100 calories, which is amazing. It's got tons of vitamins and minerals and stuff in there. Great for weight loss, immunity support, craving control, and digestive health. So that's why I like to use it on a regular basis. So in this recipe, we are only going to be using 1 scoop of the LadyBoss Lean vanilla cake flavor. Next, we're going to be using some Jell-O. So this is just some chocolate Jell-O. It is the fat-free version. That way we're just not adding a ton of calories into our Blizzard. This kind of just gives it that really good chocolatey flavor. So we are going to be using about 2 tablespoons of the fat-free chocolate pudding. Next, we're going to be using some PB2. So this is just powdered peanut butter. So this is just the regular powdered peanut butter that you can get. I love using this just because it has a really, really rich peanut butter taste, and I just love it in shakes and smoothies and all kinds of stuff like that. So in this recipe, we are going to be using 4 tablespoons of the PB2. Next, we're going to be using some Xanthan Gum. So this is kind of a thickening agent. So basically it's just going to make it a little bit thicker than a smoothie and a shake. So it kind of gives it more of that ice cream texture. So you can just find this at your local grocery store. It's usually in the baking section. So in this recipe, we are going to be using 1/4 teaspoon. And then just to top it off, we're just going to be using some liquid unsweetened almond milk. So you want to use about 1/3 cup to about 1/2 cup. So you just want to start with 1/3 cup, and then if you find it's a little bit too thick when you're blending it, you can just add a little, a hint more of the almond milk. And ta-da, that is what it looks like after we have blended it. And then, of course, you want to add a little bit more of the Reese's Pieces into it. So this is just some like mini Reese's Pieces that I just found in the baking section. So you can just add about a tablespoon of these like mini Reese's Pieces in there. And now the option is totally up to you. You can either blend these in or you can just like stir them in and just kind of like mix it in. But today I'm going to blend them into my Blizzard. And this is what our Blizzard looks like. So you can just pour it into like, you can pour it into a bowl, you can pour it into a cup, you can pretty much pour it into whatever you want. And you can just top it off with a few more Reese's Pieces because, I mean, who doesn't love a few extra Reese's Pieces on top of their Blizzard? And voila, there we have it. Our delicious, yummy Reese's Pieces homemade protein Blizzard. So I hope you guys enjoyed that recipe. If you have any questions at all, let me know in the comments section down below. Now, if you guys do have any sort of like ideas for like future recipes, I am totally willing to try out like new things. I love like trying out like new like protein recipes in the kitchen. So let me know in the comment section down below if you guys have any ideas for any future videos. So again, I hope you guys have an amazing day and I will talk to you later. Love you. Bye.